The art of vertical gardening. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the fascinating world of vertical gardening. In this video, we'll delve into the art of maximizing space, improving air quality, and growing fresh produce in the most innovative way possible. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to creating stunning living walls and transforming your living space into a green oasis. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and tricks, and hit the like button to show your support for sustainable urban landscapes. Let's get started. 1. Vertical gardening maximizes space utilization, perfect for plant lovers in small living spaces. Vertical gardening is a creative solution that benefits plant lovers residing in small living spaces. By utilizing vertical space effectively, individuals can maximize the number of plants they can grow without needing a large area. This method is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing, as it allows for unique displays and arrangements that add a touch of nature to indoor or outdoor areas. Additionally, vertical gardens can serve multiple purposes, such as improving air quality, providing insulation, and reducing noise levels in urban environments. One of the key advantages of vertical gardening is its versatility. This approach allows plant enthusiasts to choose from a wide variety of plants, including herbs, flowers, vegetables, and even small fruit trees, depending on their preferences and space constraints. Moreover, vertical gardens can be customized to suit different styles and design preferences, adding a personal touch to any living space. This flexibility enables individuals to create their oasis of greenery in an otherwise limited area, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection with nature. Another benefit of vertical gardening is its potential to promote sustainability and self-sufficiency. Growing plants vertically can help individuals reduce their ecological footprint by encouraging resource-efficient practices such as water conservation and organic gardening techniques. By cultivating plants in a vertical arrangement, gardeners can make the most of available sunlight and water, leading to healthier growth and higher yields. This method empowers plant lovers to take control of their food sources and contribute to a greener, more sustainable future for themselves and the environment. 2. Learn how to create stunning living walls with a variety of plant species for a beautiful visual display. Creating stunning living walls with a diverse range of plant species is an art form that can transform any space into a visually captivating display of nature. Living walls, also known as green walls, offer a unique way to incorporate greenery into indoor and outdoor environments, providing numerous aesthetic and environmental benefits. These vertical gardens can serve as focal points in homes, offices, and public spaces, enhancing the overall ambiance and improving the well-being of individuals who interact with them. One of the fascinating aspects of living walls is the endless variety of plant species that can be used to create them. From vibrant flowering plants to lush ferns and trailing vines, the possibilities are virtually limitless when it comes to designing a living wall. Each plant species brings its unique colors, textures, and growth habits to the composition, allowing for the creation of visually striking arrangements that evolve over time as the plants grow and thrive. This dynamic aspect of living walls adds an element of movement and life to the space, making it a constantly changing work of art. In addition to their visual appeal, living walls offer practical benefits that contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Plants are natural air purifiers, filtering out toxins and pollutants while releasing oxygen into the air. When incorporated into a living wall, these plants can help improve air quality, reduce stress, and boost productivity in indoor spaces. Moreover, living walls can act as natural insulators, helping to regulate temperature and humidity levels, which can lead to energy savings and a more comfortable living or working environment. Another interesting fact about living walls is their potential to support biodiversity and create habitat for beneficial insects and birds. By incorporating a diverse mix of plant species, living walls can attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, contributing to the conservation of native wildlife species. This ecological aspect adds a layer of significance to living walls beyond their visual appeal, making them valuable components of sustainable design and environmental stewardship. 3. Discover vertical gardening techniques to improve air quality and create a healthier living environment. Vertical gardening techniques offer a unique opportunity to not only enhance the visual appeal of spaces but also improve air quality and promote a healthier living environment. One of the primary ways in which vertical gardens contribute to air purification is through the plant's natural ability to filter out harmful pollutants. By selecting plant species known for their air-purifying properties, such as spider plants, pothos, and peace lilies, vertical gardens can act as living air filters, removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. In addition to filtering out indoor air pollutants, vertical gardens can also help increase the overall oxygen levels within a space. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, is a vital mechanism that allows plants to produce fresh oxygen. By incorporating a variety of oxygen-producing plants into a vertical garden, individuals can enjoy improved air quality and potentially experience benefits such as increased alertness, reduced stress levels, and better cognitive function. Moreover, vertical gardening techniques can play a crucial role in reducing indoor air pollution by absorbing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, commonly found in household items like paint, furniture, and cleaning products. These VOCs can contribute to poor indoor air quality and negatively impact respiratory health. Through the strategic placement of vertical gardens in indoor environments, individuals can effectively mitigate the effects of VOCs by utilizing plants as natural air purifiers. Another interesting aspect of vertical gardening for air quality improvement is its adaptability to different spaces and settings. Whether in small urban apartments, office buildings, schools, or healthcare facilities, vertical gardens offer a versatile solution for introducing greenery and enhancing air quality. The scalability and flexibility of vertical gardening techniques make them accessible to a wide range of individuals seeking to create healthier living environments while incorporating sustainable practices into their daily lives. 4. Explore the innovative use of vertical gardens as a sustainable solution to urban landscaping challenges. Vertical gardens have emerged as a groundbreaking solution to address the unique challenges that urban landscaping faces in densely populated cities around the world. By utilizing vertical spaces for greenery, these innovative gardens offer a sustainable way to introduce nature into urban environments where traditional gardening may be limited. One notable advantage of vertical gardens in urban landscaping is their ability to maximize space efficiency while creating visually striking green installations that enhance the aesthetic appeal of buildings and public spaces. Furthermore, vertical gardens provide urban areas with essential environmental benefits that contribute to sustainable city planning. By incorporating vegetation into vertical structures, cities can combat the urban heat island effect, a phenomenon where cities experience higher temperatures due to the concentration of buildings and infrastructure that absorb and retain heat. Vertical gardens help reduce ambient temperatures by providing shade, evaporative cooling, and increasing green surface area, ultimately mitigating heat island effects and promoting a more comfortable urban climate for residents. In addition to their environmental advantages, vertical gardens as a sustainable urban landscaping solution offer opportunities for biodiversity conservation and habitat creation within city limits. By introducing diverse plant species into vertical structures, urban areas can support local flora and fauna populations, contributing to the preservation of urban ecosystems and fostering urban biodiversity. Vertical gardens act as green corridors that provide habitats for insects, birds, and other wildlife, promoting ecological balance within city landscapes and enhancing overall urban biodiversity. Moreover, the implementation of vertical gardens in urban settings can also help improve air quality by acting as natural air purifiers that filter pollutants and absorb carbon dioxide while releasing fresh oxygen. The combination of aesthetic, environmental, and health benefits positions vertical gardens as a multifaceted and sustainable approach to urban landscaping challenges, showcasing their potential to transform cities into greener, healthier, and more environmentally conscious spaces. 5. Unlock the secret to growing your own fresh produce vertically, right at your fingertips. Growing fresh produce vertically offers individuals the opportunity to take control of their food production in a sustainable and accessible manner. Vertical gardening techniques allow people to cultivate their own fruits, vegetables, and herbs within the limited space of their homes, balconies, or small outdoor areas. This innovative approach to growing food provides a convenient and cost-effective way to access fresh produce right at one's fingertips while promoting self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on store-bought items. One of the key advantages of vertical gardening for growing fresh produce is its efficiency in utilizing space efficiently. By utilizing vertical structures such as trellises, hanging planters, or vertical towers, individuals can optimize the use of limited space to grow a variety of crops in a small footprint. This space-saving method is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers or individuals living in apartments or homes with limited garden space, enabling them to engage in home gardening without requiring traditional garden plots. Vertical gardening techniques also offer the possibility of incorporating sustainable practices into food production. By growing fresh produce vertically, individuals can reduce the need for transportation and packaging associated with store-bought fruits and vegetables, thus lowering their carbon footprint and contributing to environmental sustainability. Moreover, vertical gardens can be designed using eco-friendly materials and practices, such as composting, rainwater harvesting, and organic gardening methods, further enhancing the sustainability of homegrown food production. In addition to the environmental benefits, growing fresh produce vertically provides individuals with a direct connection to their food sources and promotes a healthier lifestyle. By cultivating their own fruits and vegetables, individuals can ensure the freshness and quality of the produce they consume, knowing exactly where their food comes from and how it is grown. This hands-on approach to growing food not only encourages healthier eating habits but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction in harvesting and enjoying the fruits of one's labor. The art of vertical gardening. Thank you for watching. Explore more vertical gardening techniques and plant care tips by checking out other videos on our channel. Subscribe for a green oasis at your fingertips and hit the like button to support sustainable urban landscapes. Let's grow together.